Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Cloudflare Tunnel from your VPS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect to Cloudflare Tunnel from your VPS, start by logging into your VPS using SSH. Ensure you have the latest version of the Cloudflare client installed on your server. You can download the client from Cloudflare's official GitHub repository. Once downloaded, extract the files to a directory on your VPS. Navigate to the directory where you extracted the client files. Make the Cloudflare client executable by running the chmod command. Run the client with the command to authenticate your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authentication process. After authentication, create a configuration file for your tunnel. Use a text editor to create a new file, typically named .cloudflared/config.yml. In the configuration file, specify your tunnel name and the host name. Define the service you want to expose through the tunnel. Save and exit the configuration file once you have filled in the necessary details. Next, start the tunnel using the command provided by the Cloudflare client. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your tunnel is active. To verify the connection, visit the hostname you specified in your configuration file. If everything is set up correctly, your service should be accessible through the tunnel. For added security, consider setting up automatic tunnel restarts in your server's service manager. Monitor your tunnel status regularly to ensure a smooth connection. That's the complete process of connecting to Cloudflare Tunnel from your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.